Behind me is this magnificent 5-bedroom detached duplex located in a super exclusive neighborhood in Osapa, Lekki. This amazingly designed house comes with ample parking space, generously spacious rooms, a swimming pool, and a gorgeous open roof terrace. My name is Spacious of albertandwand, and I'm taking you on another tour of Lagos's most luxurious listings. Let's get started, shall we? As soon as you walk into this house, you're met with this amazing open floor design. From the high ceilings to the amazingly finished marble floors, you can tell that this is a house that was built to symbolize luxury. As you can see from this expansive room, there is a limited amount of space to customize this place to fit your needs and fill this space with your essential furniture. And we have the kitchen right here, which is just like everything else in this house, amazingly spacious. Right here we have a heat extractor, your gas burners, as well as your grill and microwave combo to make your perfect dishes in a comfortable environment with a great view of your pool. This charming corner of the house can be found on the first floor and can be perfect for anything from your second living room to your den or even a family lounge. And basically it walks you straight through the walkway on the first floor all the way to one of the bedrooms over here, where we have a ridiculous amount of space for you to put in all your essential furniture. I mean, just look at this view. And I'm taking you guys to what is basically the best room in this house, and that is the owner's suite. Imagine coming back after a long day of work to an amazing space like this. There's a running theme in this house, and that is the ability to use space as you see fit. I mean, look at these high ceilings, look at these tall windows to allow maximum illumination. Basically, this house gives you that feeling of serenity, of peace, of freedom. It gives you that atmosphere that basically most houses can't afford in Lagos. And here I'm walking right into what is your bathroom that leads straight in from the bedroom. Now that I've shown you the bathroom and the bedroom, let me show you why this room is actually my favorite part of the house. And that's because of this amazing open roof terrace. As you can see, on all sides I am met by the amazing view of the ocean. I mean, just look at this view. See, a lot of people keep saying you should look at the view, but this is a view you would want to look at on a very stressful day. Just looking at the water, it's tranquil movement, it's amazing. And that concludes our tour of this phenomenal house in Osapa, Lekki. If you want to own a home like this, especially one in a great neighborhood just like this one, you can buy it for 310 million Naira. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram or check out our website for more amazing properties like this. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe right now to stay updated on the best luxury listings across Lagos. Take care.